3 foods your gut loves. Your gut is the seat of your immune system. If it is poorly or incorrectly nourished, it becomes poisoned. It shows its poisoned weak self in inflammation, bad skin, depression, and many other manifestations. Therefore, it is of enormous importance to strengthen, nourish, and vitalize your intestines. And you can do that with the following foods. First, almonds. U.S. studies and the University of Florida have found that almonds positively influence the composition of intestinal flora by promoting the proliferation of healthy intestinal bacteria. Almonds are also rich in fiber, essential nutrients, and healthy fats, and are a good source of protein. They provide magnesium, B vitamins, vitamin E, which makes your skin glow, and numerous antioxidants. The consumption of almonds also has a positive influence on the course and treatment of diabetes. Because the magnesium contained in almonds improves the insulin sensitivity of cells. However, make sure to enjoy them in moderation, because too much protein weakens your liver, and in unpeeled almonds, prussic acid is contained. When scalded, however, the almond loses its prussic acid intensity. A little tip: pistachios are also particularly good for the intestines. Second, broccoli. Broccoli lowers inflammatory potential, especially that of the gut. The plant compound sulforaphane, found in this delicious cabbage, has been shown to protect your gut from disease. It is the healing vegetable for diabetes and lung diseases. The miracle vegetable has a positive influence on autistic symptoms, colitis, and leaky gut syndrome. In the well-known leaky gut syndrome, the intestinal mucosa is permeable and weakened. This allows increased toxins and harmful microorganisms to penetrate, which alerts the immune system. The consequences are then overreactions of the body, autoimmune diseases, allergies, and inflammations of all kinds. When preparing broccoli, please keep in mind to steam and sauté it only lightly, so that all important substances are preserved. Broccoli can also be eaten raw or in the form of delicious broccoli sprouts. Vegetables from the cruciferous family, including Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, kale, and sprouts of all kinds, contain healthy plant substances called mustard oil glycosides. So go for the cabbage. Thirdly, chicory root. The miracle roots contain prebiotic plant substances that promote the growth of healthy intestinal bacteria. In addition, they are known to contain dietary fiber, which prevents the spread of pathogenic, i.e. disease-causing germs. The prebiotic fiber inulin contained in chicory is a real gift for your intestinal flora. Chicory is beneficial for your nervous system. It contains vitamin B1 and vitamin B2. Your body needs enough B vitamins for the breakdown and conversion of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates in the cell. Iron is important for blood formation, immune defense, and formation of the most important inflammatory messengers, which are needed to fight off viruses and bacteria. Chicory root, due to its bitter taste, is often used as a healthy substitute for coffee. Caution: chicory coffee is not recommended for pregnant women, as it can cause menstrual bleeding or miscarriage, and it can cause symptoms such as hives, itching, and swelling. What other foods does your gut need to be happy? Then feel free to follow me in the next episodes. Thanks for tuning in.